Infosys founder N.R. Narayana Murthy has bought a house that sets a new price benchmark in Bengaluru's real estate market. As per reports, he bought the 8,400 square feet flat for 50 crore rupees, which makes it a record-breaking rupees 59,500 per square foot. The house includes 4 bedrooms and 5 parking spaces. Narayana Murthy reportedly bought the flat from a Mumbai-based businessman who had owned the property for nearly a decade. This is the Murthy family's second purchase in the upscale Kingfisher Towers. Sudha Murthy had also bought a flat in Kingfisher Towers for 29 crore rupees on the 23rd floor 4 years ago. The towers lie in UB City, located in the central business district of the city in the heart of Bengaluru. It's one of the most luxurious upscale neighborhoods in the city, and it has integrated complexes which include large office buildings and shopping centers. And within this lies Kingfisher Towers, also called the Billionaire's Tower, which stands on the former estate of liquor baron Vijay Mallya. The 34-story luxury development was built as a joint project between Prestige Group and Mallya in 2010. The 4.5-acre complex has about 81 4 BHK apartments across 3 buildings, each of which average over 8,300 square feet. On the top 2 floors, there's an opulent penthouse which was built for Mallya, but he was never able to reside there as he fled India before he could. As per brokers, the Kingfisher Towers come with personalized concierge services, exclusive wellness amenities, floor-to-ceiling windows, and of course other state-of-the-art amenities like a clubhouse, swimming pool and tennis courts. The project has 2 swimming pools on every 5 floors with a gym and a spa as well. There are also 24/7 coffee shops and luxury salons. The initial apartments in the project were sold at 22,000 rupees per square foot during its launch, and its resale prices have been climbing steadily. Several high-profile buyers own properties in the project, including Biocon founder Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw and Karnataka Minister KJ George's son Rana George. Zerodha's Nikhil Kamath was also staying in a rented flat in the complex. In recent years, there have been a bunch of landmark real estate deals in Bengaluru. In 2017, Ajit Prabhu, the chairman and CEO of Quest Global, bought a 16,000 square foot flat at Embassy 1 near Hebbal for 50 crore rupees. This makes it 31,000 rupees per square foot. Bengaluru's most expensive deal ever came earlier this year, when Ajit Isaac, the chairman of Quest Corp, bought a 10,000 square feet property for 67.5 crore rupees. This was in Bengaluru's core Mangla, which is where many billionaires in the city reside. The deal was priced at a whopping 70,300 rupees per square foot. This latest acquisition by Murthy reinforces the fact that Kingfisher Towers still holds its status as a premier Bengaluru address, with its luxury appeal attracting India's rich and elite. Hope you liked this video. For more such content, keep watching Mint.